What is up, guys? This is Magnum Gaming here, and today we're officially doing a room tour. Now, I'm sorry I couldn't get to the room tour yesterday, and sorry I never got to the back blinds, I never got to the end of the back blinds on my Fortnite locker review, but still, so yeah, today I am showing you guys my whole entire room. So let's get started. So just to let you guys know that some of you, if you guys have been here, if you guys have been here for around about a year and a half or maybe 2 years, then you probably would have saw my old room. Now my old room, my bed has changed. It's not a bunk bed anymore. Well, my bed wasn't a bunk bed. It kind of was. It was like a bed. It was like a bed, I can't explain it, but it was kind of like a bunk bed, my bed, but it didn't have a second bed on it. But my bed has changed. I officially have a wardrobe. Well, I had a wardrobe in my room up there, but I now have a wardrobe here, and I finally have some more space. And I've got my carpet changed, my curtains changed, my room painted, as you guys can see, it's grey, this bit painted, and my bedding changed, my TV changed because my TV actually broke. I don't know if I showed you guys my old TV, but my old TV was a smart TV that I got for my Christmas. But since I kind of swing my chair a lot and stuff on my desk, it accidentally broke. It kind of fell on top, which I was pretty mad, but I had a little tiny TV which lasted me for at least 3 or 4 months, maybe even 5 months, probably about actual 3 months. And then I got this LG TV, this second-hand LG TV, and I've got some speakers, and yeah, so let's get started. Camera. Okay, guys, so you might be wondering right now, why is the TV sitting on a chair? Well, actually, yeah, it might look a bit stupid, but actually tomorrow my dad is gonna mount this TV up here somewhere, and I'm gonna have like a shelf below it so I can put my speakers down there, and I'm gonna have an extension plug maybe like next to the TV or something, so I can put this plug is the plug to the speakers, and I can put that plug in the extension, and also my Xbox can go on the shelf and stuff. And yeah, so first we're gonna have a look at my wardrobe. Now, here I have my wardrobe. Above it I have my Rubik's Cube, my fidget cube, and my other fidget cube. And also I've got a box of some toys that I don't really play with anymore. Well, I kind of do, maybe when my friends are over. And here I have the luxury wardrobe. I need to fix my shoes. You guys might not see, but my shoes are here, and some of my shoes, well, my Huaraches, and one of the other pair of my Huaraches broke. So they haven't broke, but my mom is fixing them. So yeah, and I have a pair of Yeezys which are downstairs, and I'm not flexing. I showed you guys my Yeezys yesterday. Well, actually, I never showed you guys my Yeezys. I must have been thinking about something else. And here, I don't know why I have a coat in there, but I have another coat, and yeah. Okay, guys. So this was my wardrobe. It's all right. And down here, I for some reason have an iPhone 5S box, which in it. Sorry guys, this is hard to get open. I just This is very hard to get open, guys. Well, it finally got open. Now, what do you guys think is in here? This. A pen and box. Well, an empty box. Now, what I was gonna do with this is I was gonna write names on this box, because why throw this box out when you can do so much with it? You guys really don't know how much you can do with this. But right now, I'm gonna write names on this box. So you have till the end of this video to like and comment, or just comment your name, or comment I want to be on the box or something. My name wants to be on the box or something, and then comment your name. I know it sounds really weird. I don't know why I would do this, but yeah, I was gonna do this for TikTok. I really don't know why, but I've seen on TikTok lately, like put a comment, like the video and follow me and comment down your name, and I will just like and follow me, and I put your name on this card, this sheet and everything. But I'm just gonna write my name on it. Okay, that was so bad handwriting, especially since it's a box. I'm writing it. Right. There we go. Me. Maybe upside down to the camera. I'll shoot you guys in there. Look, me. So, look, when I cover this up, right, sorry. When I cover this up, it might change, it might rub off, but we'll have to see and find out. So yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay. Yes, it doesn't rub off. Good. Right. At the back, I'm gonna just make a big scribble. Put the pen inside my little compartment. Put the iPhone box on. Well, in it. And there we go. Get it inside there. Now also, I just have a pair of socks. I keep my socks in there too. And now I now to my carpet. Well, you guys, this is a quick one because I'm not just showing you guys my carpet like this. I'm just gonna say I got my carpet changed. I know. And what's this? Oh yeah, that's my controller. And I got my carpet changed, and I got this painted, guys. It's really cool. I just got this painted yesterday, and as you guys can probably notice right now, I have my curtains changed and stuff. It looks very nice, in my opinion. And over there, I've got some slime and sand, Kinetic sand, and yeah, the grey paint. And I have my TV there, my 2 speakers, my Xbox and Deus Ex, Mankind Divided, really good game. And now probably the bit you guys have all been waiting for, my bedding. Yeah, for you who like Fortnite, then get this. But yeah, I got Fortnite bedding. It's really cool. It's really nice, and you can just sit down and play Fortnite all day. Yeah, so, and here, down here, I have my iPad and my mic and a charger for my iPad. And down at the bottom of the bed, just gonna lift this up for a minute. Yeah. I have Legos, well, Lego in there. I don't really... Sorry about the loud noise, guys, but I don't think you guys are really would be really interested what's down here. There's wires in there and stuff and Legos Pokemon, which I still do. It's just that I haven't got a chance to get more cards for my friends to trade. My Xbox 360 and Trash Pack, which I used to play with. If you guys didn't notice, if you guys didn't remember, I did a review or like a video ages ago about the Trash Pack Source Truck. So definitely go check that out. Later on today, I might actually do a video about the Trash Pack and stuff, because I'm actually in the mood to do it now since I'm talking about Trash Pack and stuff. And yeah guys, this is technically my room. There's nothing much to right now, but I'll do an update of my room tour. Oh, this bit got painted too. But I'll do another room tour just cause this isn't my fully room yet. Like, I've still got to have my TV mounted on the wall. I'm gonna have like a big sticker saying like, well, a gaming sticker or something. It's gonna be a bit big. And I'm gonna probably have my wardrobe in there still. And yeah, I'm gonna have maybe a desk here as well. I'm gonna probably have a desk here, so it's a lot to look forward to and stuff. Yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I know this hasn't been that long. Well, it's actually been 11 minutes, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, and if you're wondering why hell the camera's getting set up there, it's cause the light switch. So if you, just to let you know, oh, my light switch, just to let you guys know, my light switch is getting changed too. So I wouldn't, not for long I'll be able to put it up, because I think my light switch is like kind of like a curve or something. But yeah, if you've got a light switch like this in your house or some in your room, and you're making YouTube and you don't have like a stand or something for it, well, no need. Like, you don't have to buy like camera stand and stuff for it. You can just get the light switch and put it up like this. I know I know you guys can't really, well, if I go back right here, you guys can see my full face and oh, you guys can see me and stuff, but if I'm like up here, like, you guys can't see me at all, but like you can half see me there and stuff. But it's a great way to kind of just stand your camera and stuff. But yeah, that was the end of today's video, guys. Hope you know, and if you're wondering why I'm going like this, it's because I'm kind of on my tippy toes. I don't know, it sounds weird. I don't know why. I'm just trying to stand up. Anyways, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed for today's video. And yeah, that was the end of today's room tour. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.